Hi, welcome to my video. If you have not done so already, give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel, leave some comments for this video, and also hit the notification icon so that you'll be notified of any new videos that I'm going to add on to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about custom number formatting. Now, custom number formatting, you can do several things with it. One of the things that you can do with custom number formatting is to put units together with with number values in a single cell. Let me first show you what is the issue with this. I have some items here and I have a column here for the weight of the respective items. Now, if I want to type in a value here, let's say 10 kilogram, 10 kg, and the next one 20 kg. If you notice the total here, which is using a simple sum function, it's still 0. Now, the reason with that, for the most part, when you put numbers together with non-numbers in a single cell, lots of times Excel will take whatever in the cell as text. So the 1 and 0 here sort of like behave like text. And as text, they cannot be calculated upon. It cannot be added, it cannot be subtracted, it cannot be divided, and so on. So, which is why what is supposed to be 30 kg is still 0 kg. Now, if I were to remove the text portion, if I were just to type in numbers, as you can see right now, the sum function is showing a total of 30. That's because whatever are in these cells, they are taken as numbers. So the moment I add in something that is not a number, for the most part, uh, Excel will take whatever in that cell as completely text. There's no such thing as partially text and partially numbers. So that's what happens. Now, but if I want to put the units together with the number values in a single cell, one of the or rather I can use custom number formatting to do that. So uh, how do I do that? So let's just go into it. Now you can do this by in cells that already have numbers in them, like this, for example, or you can do it while waiting for the values to be entered into the cell. So in this case, I'm going to leave the cell empty uh, uh, for now, right? So what you need to do is you just need to select the affected area, right click on it, and click on Format Cells. Now, in this dialog box, what you need to do is you need to click on Custom. Go to the Type text box over here, and this is what you need to type in. Let me just enlarge the screen. Okay, you need to put the unit behind the formatting code. So right now the formatting code is general. That's the formatting code. So you don't erase that, right? So behind the word general, in double quotation, type in the unit that you want, like this. So if you want a space, you can put a space just before the letter K, like that. Okay, once done, just click on the OK button. So what you can do now is you can go to the selected cells and just type in the numbers. And as you can see, the units will appear together with the numbers. So that's how you use custom number formatting to put units together in a single cell without sort of converting the numbers to text.